Hey traders, today is Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. This is a 5-minute chart of NQ Nasdaq futures. In this video, I am going to talk about the trades that I placed today. I went long here, stopped out here, went long again, and pretty much got out for close to a break even. The reason why I went long here was because today was a strong bull trend day, and usually at around bar 40 there is some type of trend continuation or a reversal. So on this day I baited that this this bull trend was going to get a continuation, and once 42 traded one tick above 41, considering this bullish candle, I went long. But once 43, this candle collapsed down and it was a big bear day and it was accelerating really fast to the downside. I got out when it gave me a small pop, and then I went long again because I was thinking that the bulls may try to get to these highs, so I gave the long a second shot. But I got out once I saw this bear candle, or 54 was a bear candle, and on the 15-minute chart I didn't like that this candle closed a bear candle, so I got out of the trade. And the other reason that I went long actually on NQ on here was because on the 15-minute chart it put in two consecutive bull candles, and usually if you get two consecutive bull candles on the 15-minute chart on NQ, it usually gives you some type of continuation. So let's see, in terms of performance, I think I lost about 25 points total on the two. Yeah, so here lost 21 points minus commission, and here 5 points minus commission. So actually 26 points, which isn't that bad considering that my winners are about at least 50 points. I also wanted to mention I did wanted to go long around here, but I wanted 8 to trade one tick above 7 before going long, because usually I like seeing consecutive bull candles, and then I want the third candle to trade above the second consecutive candle. So I wanted 8 to trade above 7, and that would have got me interested in going long. But because that did not happen, I missed this entire move up, which was a bummer. And this concludes my review for today. It doesn't feel good taking a loss, but it is what it is. At least I managed to keep my losses small, and I will be back tomorrow. Alright, see y'all on the next video. Peace.